Does anyone here know the lyrics to this bridge? All right, LA, are you ready to go back to high school with me? If you happen to have about 10 minutes to spare,